Good morning, Father. I am Nidha Sinoj. First question: when seeking consent for a postmortem examination, it is necessary to. The hedging word is postmortem examination. Uh, and On the option, give a valid reason for conducting it. Second option, allow all relative the opportunity to decline it. Third option, only raise the subject after death has occurred. Uh, in the option B and C, there are extreme weights is there. In the option B, all is extreme weight, so we can eliminate that one. And option C, only is the extreme weight, so we can eliminate B and C. So according to that, my option answer is option A is the answer. And the second question, this guideline extract says that the nurse in charge. So my hedging words is the nurse in charge, the nurse in charge, the guideline. Option A, must supervise must supervise the opening of the controlled drug cupboard. And my mm, hedging word is controlled drug cupboard. And the second option, should make sure that all ward cupboard keys are kept together. Hmm, all ward. There are extreme is there all, so we can eliminate that. And third option is can delegate responsibility for the cupboard keys to another ward. So my hedging word is cupboard key to another word. And in the comes to the text, the uh, sentence, main topic is medicine cupboard keys. So medicine cupboard keys, and option C is similar. There is some word is there cupboard keys, and in come to the last sentence. If necessary, the nurse in charge should arrange for the key to be held in a neighboring ward or department by the nurse in charge there. So there is a synonym word is another ward. It's a neighboring ward. So it's a saying about that it the responsibility, the nurse in charge responsibility, the key can keep cupboard key to another word. So my answer option is C. And the question number 3, the Cancer Council advised that. So the name is mentioned there, the Cancer Council advice. And the option, there are many health benefits of alcohol. So my hedging word is many health benefits. And option B, the benefits of drinking red wine to prevent or treat heart disease are conclusive. So my hedging word is benefit, benefits, no, not benefits, conclusive. Benefits of drinking red wine. And third option, the evidence that alcohol can prevent or treat heart disease is inconclusive. So another keyword is inconclusive, and there is another keyword evidence. And in the option D, there is a safe level of drinking one or two standard drinks a day when it comes to cancer. So my hedging word is safe level of drinking one or two standard drinks. In the text, we can look for the um, Cancer Council says that. And before that, the topic sentence is saying the evidence is inconclusive. And what about then the Cancer Council says that, adding that National Heart Foundation advise against drinking red wine or any type of alcohol to prevent or treat heart disease. So I think mm, it's not saying about there are many health benefits of alcohol, and it's not saying about the conclusive and the benefits of drinking red wine. It's not saying about it. It's a saying about the inconclusive is that. And so I think the option C is the answer. And because and the D I eliminated because that saying about the national, it's a stick to the National Health and Medical Research Council guidelines, no more than it's a they are saying about that, I think the Cancer Council suggests that anyone who want to drink, anyone they are saying about the drink. It's not saying about the Cancer Council advice. I think mm, C is the answer for me. And when it comes to mm, question number 4, what does the psychologist Molly Grossman mean when she said that evidence is a wash? So name is that psychologist Molly Grossman. So it's written in the first sentence. Even so, the evidence is a wash, according to psychologist Molly Grossman, who conduct the review. Some studies find that interacting with pets has benefit, others do not. So I think so. Already, the evidence is a wash means that the evidence is weak, and she's saying about that there is no benefit to everyone because someone has when they interacting with the pets someone has benefit and some other has no benefit, so it means not benefits to everyone.